Hey guys, I am back and today I'm going to be making rubber band bracelets. So these are basically the rubber band bracelets. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make these, but you can use basically any colors you want. I'm going to be using yellow and purple. So to start off, you're going to be grabbing one of your first color, which is going to be yellow for me. So you're going to put it on one finger, then twist it over, and then put it on the next finger. You're going to be using your index finger and your middle finger for this. So you see that? That's how you start off. Now the next, you do not go cross, you just go regular. The regular is basically not cross. You see the purple is not cross, but the yellow is. So after you do that, you're going to flip the yellow up and over the purple. Now that you've done that, you're going to grab your next color, which is going to be yellow. And then you're going to flip the purple up and over the yellow. See how that is coming along? So if you keep doing that, it'll eventually get longer. So I'm going to walk you through a few more and then I'm going to go faster. Okay, guys? Okay, now let's put on up and over. Wrong color. Up and over. And if this happens to you guys, don't worry. So you just take out the band that it did it to, and then put it back on your fingers. Because if you ended up doing that, then it wouldn't look too nice on your bracelet. So don't worry. Now that we had to start over just a little bit on that, you simply grab that color again and go up and over. Okay, see guys? Now I'm going to go a little bit faster. Okay guys? As you can see, this is actually my normal speed, you guys, of making bracelets. I am not fast forwarding, okay? This is my normal speed. I think it's a little really fast. So now that I've gotten a little fast, I've gotten more done. So if you need more to walk through, I'm going to do that part now. So this time, I'm going to be making a bracelet. And if you want to make a ring, when you get to about this point, you're going to want it measured around your finger, just like wrapping it around. And if it's the right size, then just get forward to the end, and then that'll be when we place the C-clip. Okay, I'm going to put more colors on. Remember, up and over, guys. Up and over. Okay, so up, up, and over, up, and over. And then, see? So, wait, I'm gonna just like skip this part out and then pause it so I can get to the end quicker for you guys. Okay? So now that it is long enough to actually be a bracelet, what you're gonna want to do is get your color C clip ready. Now I'm going to be using one of these C clips, or you can use an S clip. It doesn't really matter. It works the same. Now, I don't have any S clips, so I'm not going to show you that because I don't actually have any. So if you need help actually putting S clips on, it's kind of like the C clips, okay? So don't worry. It's kind of the same. I'm using a clear colored one right there. I'm not going to use one of these color ones. A C clip just dropped. Okay, so you're going to want to do is just grab it with the other fingers and pull it off like that. And then it'll become kind of like this. And then you're going to want to put it on like this, you guys. See, like that. And then you can see that, right? See how it's like attached to this? Okay, so you're gonna want to grab the other side and do the same thing with that, and then you're gonna want to hook it on, and there you go. You have your bracelet. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to make chokers, just make it longer. If you want to make rings, make it shorter. That's all you have to do. It's really simple. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!